Have you ever wondered why bad boys seem so attractive? How do they effortlessly grab women's attention without even trying too hard? In this video, I'm going to break down 7 powerful mindset tricks they use. And the best part, you can start applying them today. Not to become someone else, but to level up your value as a man. So, are you ready to upgrade your game? Let's get into it. 1. Act like you've been here before. This one is simple, but powerful. Act like you've been here before. If you behave like it's your first time being around an attractive woman, she'll feel like you're below her level. Women are naturally drawn to men who feel comfortable in their presence. So what should you do? Don't be nervous. Don't overreact. Don't put her on a pedestal. Treat her like a normal person. Calm, relaxed, natural, not arrogant, just not intimidated. 2. Don't care too much in a healthy way. Bad boys have one key mindset. They don't need to be liked by everyone. Most guys overthink. Does she like me? Did I say something wrong? That's exhausting. Bad boys, if she's not interested, they move on. No drama, no chasing, no overthinking about being cold. It's about not attaching your self-worth to someone else. And that's exactly what makes them attractive. 3. She can't hurt me. This is mental strength. If a woman isn't interested in you, it's not a personal attack. It doesn't mean you're not valuable. Think of it like a game. Not everyone wants to play the same one, and that's okay. This mindset helps you. Stay emotionally stable, avoid overreacting, keep your confidence intact, because you know your value doesn't depend on one person. 4. Be willing to pull back. This is where most guys fail. When a woman starts pulling away, they chase harder. But strong men do the opposite. They pull back, they stop chasing, they refocus on their life. Why? Because when you stop chasing, she starts wondering, why is he different? And that curiosity creates attraction. 5. Be disciplined without compromise. Attractive men have direction. They have goals, they have standards, and they don't abandon them just because of someone else. For example, if you're focused on this in the gym, stay consistent. If you're building your career, stay committed. If you have goals, stick to them. Women respect men who are consistent, focused, driven, because it shows you're in control of your life. 6. Stop seeking approval. Bad boys don't waste time looking for approval. They know what they want and they go after it. Not recklessly, but confidently. They make decisions, they take risks, they don't fear judgment. While most people are stuck in, what will others think? That's where they lose. 7. Don't fear rejection. This is the most important one. Bad boys are not afraid of rejection. They understand failure is part of the process, rejection is normal. Taking action matters more. Instead of thinking, what if I get rejected? They think, what if I never try? And that's the difference. Closing, this isn't about becoming a bad boy. It's about adopting the right mindset. Confidence, independence, direction, emotional strength. You don't need to change who you are. Just become a stronger version of yourself. Start small, apply it step by step, and over time, you'll see the difference. If this video gave you value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. And comment below, which of these 7 points hit you the most? Thanks for watching. Stay strong.